Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
How where you go?
Where you go?
Where think you go?
Where you go? No road me
Eh? Who sure? Me and you Tanya so can no dead man now they don't pass for me bed in the side.
What kind of dead man you talk about?
Where can the man for?
Who stop man? You say not me not count you man.
Now go what? Me say you see if you ever make the police come up and ask me not everybody.
Stop from pine to
Me say make police come up here.
Yo, easy yourself man. Me say the man not dead and not me knock him out. Go on and go check.
Me figure I got me look like doctor to you.
Let me show you say.
Do I look like a doctor? You? Me tell you, if you tell us to come up and people them place in our ear. You know pumpkin money. So you back and forth every minute. You must know you tell the police them so when they come up.
So hold on. Now what me have your coffee do? You think I have a souvenir?
Me say if you place are yours.
It no matter.
So when they come up here every minute for see you come now, me and the man lay down on the bed.
Me don't tell you say you're not feeling no long chatting.
You know what man talk about?
Yo, you see when
You man motivate me. I tell me something can do better than
so
this.
hold on there. You motivate you. So what me for?
Just to collect pumpkin money that you for.
Alright.
Your sole purpose in my life?
But we collect the pumpkin money of course. But me no want no man in there with no long chatting with you. When them come for pumpkin, just give them pumpkin and make them go along about them business. You hear?
Rolling.
To blast.
Rolling. Me sick and tired of you. Me sick and me tired of you.
Me sick and tired of you too.
You not motivate me to do nothing. That's all you good for motivate me to do. I fi continually sell me pumpkin.
So hold on. So you know see, and me rent the place for you to sell the pumpkin.
I know for your place.
Me rent the place.
Because it's not yours.
But me rent it so me have to...
What do you mean, what you rent? You carrying people business place?
So hold on, you don't have to pay for it. You don't have to pay for it.
You have to pay for come in there?
Me not have to pay for come in there. You may have come to. So anytime me come in there for pumpkin, you give me pumpkin.
Stop, come up here.
Stop come up here. So hold on, if me I go stop come up here, I have to go left up here too. And better me get me pumpkin money, you hear?
No, come collect, you know.
Yeah, you better...
Don't give you money.
Don't give me money.
And that me say.
10,000 at least more. And me tell you that. And if you make $10, $9.99 for me to blast. And you better try give him some sweet sugar and water around there. Because if me come back here come see him, I stab him up for real. You hear?
Me fi give him sweet sugar and water. I me knock him out.
Alright. No for your client. No for your client.
I me lick him.
All you do, me get me money. You hear? To blast.
Say if police ever come up here come ask me nothing, you know. You try make sure say I'm in the gas station. Can you see you never call out my name?
You hear what Skinny say? You hear what Skinny say? You see a man where you have as a friend, him I go sell you out. So me I go see if you go sell me out.
Me I more than sell you out. I mean I come out every day you come up with pumpkin money. So, every single day you come for pumpkin money. You can't see me and the client in the lid down. What we are talking about? You can't see we are doing nothing.
Me tell you say, if you not in and no long chatting, cause although you work pumpkin, me no want lose the pumpkin to blast. Me tell you say, anytime they come, you fi just make them chop and go. No long chatting to blast.
Go on here, come out.
Come out away.
Come out.
Come out away. To blast. Take me up.
Take residence.
Take me up.
Take residence to the people place. Cause you look like it seems like you love to talk. You like him a long chat.
Take me up now. And if you go and talk, me no make you get no client in the neither.
Me say go looking for man
good. And me still me a go want me money. To blast.
You don't go take your rolling. Take you know.
Alright. You see if you go on, me a go double the money.
Me
and you have to go work your pumpkin more. Work it. Well, you
can't help me work it.
Me always a work it for you. To
you have to go work for you too.
Get your client them. Get your woman client them. We will work the cucumber for you. To blast.
Well, that be a female client me have.
Alright.
Male.
Well, to
male
blast.
Client,
me no want any male client to blast.
That damn bright.
Damn, I mean, how you damn murmur about?
Me say you're bright, that me say.
Bright for what?
Every day, why me cannot leave me alone? You can't hear. Leave me alone now.
So what you did time me for?
Who tie you?
What you tie me for?
Me can't tie crosses for me.
You should have known before you tie me. You should have known before you tie me.
Me can't tie crosses for me.
A problem you tie for yourself. Then what you should have known, and you can't pull it now. You can't pull. If we pull out
me
one,
I go find out, you know.
Eh?
Me I go find out, because look, I can tie me.
Me don't find out already, because you always a go St. Mary and you know, plant banana. You produce banana chips.
Chips, me go down there for.
Chips you go down there for. Cucumber not enough for you.
No.
You want banana, you want plantain, you want cucumber, you want chips. You want everything.
Yeah, me want everything we shoot.
But you know, me not believe you. Me not believe you to blast.
Somebody, look here. Somebody tie you. Eh?
So you know should I know before you tie me.
Let's crosses.
You know should I know before you tie me.
Wash you off for me, brother.
You know, say me believe say you really go up at the woman there St. Mary. Cause at that valiant say no, if the client don't pay me I run go St. Mary. So over there you go. And me know say I tie me cause me no know every day me have to just come up here for money for money. So
you love pumpkin money, that is it. Accept the facts, you love pumpkin money. You know if you go look at job and go work.
So me no always a work.
Work where?
The pumpkin.
Work with pumpkin.
To blast.
You don't have time for work in pumpkin because your client, I mean client them do you all I working. I be you collect.
So hold on, if me collect.
When last you work the pumpkin? When last? Remember good. I'm trying remember good too. When last?
And when again?
Much months now. You see it?
I'm on before last.
No.
I'm on
you
before
only
last.
To collect pumpkin money. That's all you're good for.
But at the same time, if you work the pumpkin, you just work the pumpkin. You still want me work it some more? Me no want to work about the pumpkin. Me want when them come, them get the good pumpkin, so them can always come back for the pumpkin.
If you receive.
So you know see how that the one they almost dead over a pumpkin.
I receive, you want to receive, not you?
I receive the money for the pumpkin.
Okay, I receive.
The money for the pumpkin.
Just remember me tell you, you know. I last, you know, collect dime more for me.
Alright.
$1.
When they come for it, all do not give me it.
No,
when
you
they
just
come for it,
tap me up too. Tap me up, rolling.
You should have lucky. You see how you're going? No, rolling dice to kill me. Rolling dice to kill me. When me grab you in there, so you better know yourself here and don't itch when me come for me pumpkin money.
Alright, me tell you something, I make pastor pray for you. You have to come out of my life.
So long. So prayer
you
no good
have
sitting.
to come out of my life.
So prayer no good sitting. God no
You
answer,
prayer,
God no answer bad prayer.
You go
and you
see.
see if Father
No
God
answer this one because you're wicked.
You see?
You is a wicked.
You see if Father God knows say me a collect the pumpkin money and me a survive our fight and me a fix my car outside and me a do good things outside, he nah stop make me get the pumpkin money to blast. You better not itch with the pumpkin and you see me a go want more money cause me realize say I got St. Mary. So that means you take cucumber, you take banana, you take plantain, and you take plantain chips. So guess what? Four money that I want to collect. So 10, 20, 30, $40,000 that for the day. Yeah? To blast. I make me not get it. If me get it late, me I put tax on it. 10%. Every hour me come and get it, 10% go on. Yeah? To blast. Shame.
Why you not beat up your
Where shame I go? Where shame I go?
Rolling down your yard.
Every time you tell me to go down my yard, I go sit down. Every time you tell me to go down my yard, I go sit down. You could have turned your back some more. Every time you tell me to go down my yard, I go sit down. But you say me not make you get no client today. And if you don't get no money, the money I go over and over
you want bet me stick a bet?
Again.
Stick a bet no?
Alright.
Stick a bet.
We bet.
Alright.
To blast. I will
Me a help him and them beat it today. Remember me tell you. You bet me?
You know say I be a pastor.
I
be a pastor and sound like a weak man. Sound like a weak client, yeah.
Me a make you use the Bible and box in idea. You bet you.
Yo, I kick with that foot.
Alright.
Kick with that
Me
foot.
tell you some help him beat it today.
How you think me go karate school for? Eh? You know say me have one yellow belt.
We do go with it.
I yellow belt ice in a Karachi. And me have one.
School.
Who send me to school?
That's all you're good for. If you collect working money, you don't have 2 hands. Where you leave your 2 hands now?
No.
You leave it with your mother?
If me,
Molly, no, answer my question. You can't find something to fit you.
if me and them did left with my mother, me could have come cook food come the other day. Me could have cook food come the other day. And you're so ungrateful, you don't appreciate nothing what me do. Me tell you say
I feel your money cookie. I feel your money buy.
So why if I don't feel the money? So what? So why if I don't feel the money?
You know about tight.
Me don't need none.
You don't benefit out tight.
No, me never want none.
You never want none.
More you get as much energy.
I'm so glad me don't have none because I wonder where you put my food. I'm so glad me don't have none.
They say you want red peas. Eh?
Yeah. Who want tie who know?
I want time.
Who apart me don't want to put that near me. Me not near me.
So lad, all they do give me the money, me not have to cook out that give you. And less money that you spend.
Me I go start buying.
So me don't can go buy for you too. They can go buy for you. For you. Because me don't want you.
You think you catch me?
Me don't want you left out a pink house. Because if you left and I wait for food 1 hour, you could not get no that the client there, you could lose all 5 clients by that. So me rather come buy food for you when you're ready. If you don't want me cook none for you.
Me tell me peg my client them buy. Don't worry yourself about me and my baby.
But say
My belly good.
it come like you want one of your client to tie you.
You prefer them time I'm wine.
So what's the difference?
Because you're crosses.
I mean know they not
And
get.
you love collect. You love
I
collect.
mean know say your client they not get the cucumber good like me, you know.
You know matter them a take care of me good.
They
When
might
you
take
not
care of
do-
you good.
They might do your job for you.
But guess what? You see, me no remember who they talk that day now. But they say 2 main reasons why woman cheat. Me no remember if I want, are you lucky? I think I'm lucky. He said the reason why woman cheat is if you cucumber short or if you not give them no money. So you see, true me know say my cucumber no short and me I deal with the thing proper. Somebody else can give the money to blast because I come like say for them cucumber short.
You know see, either them cucumber shot or they not give no money. What you give?
Me just not give no money I know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. You answer your question?
So me say me
You
not.
answer yourself?
Me tell you say me not
You
give no
said you
money I
answer
know.
yourself. You answer yourself.
You know say you not
No
right.
reason.
And me say me not give no money I know. So
More be less. I did even 2 reasons. I 2 of them. When last you touch you?
me tell you
And
say
you not give me no money. Yeah what? You come like a one big red sign.
red sign.
You come like a full stop.
And them the red stop they are give
Go on
pastor
your
for
yard,
away.
man. Go on.
And them the
Go on.
red stop they
Say,
are give
go on
pastor
your yard.
for
Go
away.
on, get up, go on. You want big waste of time. Get up, go
Me
on.
tell you say every time me tell me if I go along my yard me I stay longer.
Well, in go on. More rest. Go on.
So go and go rest now, me nah
Me
bother
say
you.
go on in there so go look for the man then.
I say you go sleep.
Yeah, alright, that's what I do.
Go and go lie down side there and give him some sugar water.
Me?
Sweet sugar water. You better give him some sweet
Me
sugar
alright out there
water.
so.
Hmm?
Me don't know who in there so me not going in there.
You see, if you no recover, you better go throw over bush then. Try to call me name.
Who not fi call the name? Me tell you something I sell out today.
Sell me out. Alright. Call me
Give
name.
me a
and you
garbage to feel.
see. Call me name and you see.
Well, in gone in your yard. Me that hurt me. Right now, me confused and even know what me I go do. For the aim and the in this.
You know
What me I go give?
You know what? Me allow you make you go and go work your pumpkin because
Work pumpkin and pumpkin. You worry about your chair, worry about if
Yeah,
you
me
are
I say.
jail or not. That you fi do.
jail. Just go and work your pumpkin because me soon,
Why yeah?
me soon come for my money. So just
Why
go and work
yeah?
your pumpkin to blouse.
And when you come back, I same thing. When you do man, I same thing. You go get. I hate him. I hate him, bitch. You see? You want to go work? Eh? You don't want to work. Every single day you come up here, morning, noon, night. You want to collect. You just just a collect, so you just a collect. Yeah, bank? You want to loan people to blow out? No, man. Can I hit you one more time? God, just let me come out of this alive, you can't take me out of this alive, yeah. Eh? I start over about my life, God. Cha-cha. Look where all dirty road is. Ow! Yes, yeah, I take on my foot there. Take time. Alright? Eh? You alright, you stable. If you can't able to go home. And that's Jesus Christ. Oh, God, for me. You alright? Skinny? You alright? Jesus Christ. Say if I don't hit rolling one more time. Skinny? Alright? You can't manage to go home? Hmm? Skinny, no come in and do it. Yeah. But tell him say enough for me no here. Police officer nothing don't call me. You hear coming on police go to me. You hear Skinny? You hear me? Skinny talk no? Me know see your neck hurt man, me know. Oh Skinny, oh show me massage for you. Eh? Skinny.
What's just something?
No look sharp man, I say I'm a man who live with a house. So you come up and see me and you.
Huh?
You not see what happened? You're born if you put me in trouble. What kind of cross is this, man? What kind of cross is this I take up in my life, God?
How am I there?
You see, same thing. What pink house you there?
Pink who?
What pink house? So may I just ignore your room and attack?
How will you?
Turn fool. What do you mean now with me? You have a pink house. You have a shorty cam. In your room, you remember? Yeah? Fuck off, fart. You only knock sense out of people them beat me. Skinny, you know what your name? What your name? What your name?
How am I there? Pink house?
Yes, up a pink house you there.
In here, pink man.
Then a pink house in here saying enough for pink. You fear can't go back home?
Oh, shawty come. Oh, what just happened?
I merely don't for any better reason. And the man who me live with come up here and I and him catch up in an argument and he knock you
catch
out.
up.
Yes!
And the man not catch up. Me I did in the...
Lay down
with
on the
pumpkin.
bed.
Me I did that deal with the pumpkin. Yeah, I'm drop asleep.
Let on damn fool.
No, yeah, that boy.
You don't feel somebody knocking your head?
But me feel on pain in my neck.
And I feel like crooked neck, you know? That's somebody knock you in night.
I think I pumpkin. Cause
So that's something for
they
me.
really wicked for true.
So iron line for me pumpkin. You remember I think I'm a pumpkin? That's my pumpkin tough.
Why some pumpkin knock you out? Like a somebody knock you out heavyweight champion. And I tell her, boy, the pumpkin good still, you know?
No, call no police.
Hey, who my friend there? Jav. Where Jav?
Job gone.
Eh?
Job did gone.
So, oh, Jav for gone left me. What time now?
You never hear my shout out, you not call your name.
What a bombshell. At 8 o'clock already. So you couldn't wake me up, man. You couldn't wake me up.
So far, so sober.
Hmm?
So far, so sober.
Sober?
You can't know police over there.
For what? About the pumpkin?
Alright, yeah, I did the pumpkin, man. Yeah, the pumpkin.
No way I talk about.
No, I'm not talking about nothing.
So why my neck feels so?
No.
But different is, shorty come.
Hmm?
Pumpkin good. But you know, I think I go forward back in a bit for you now. You may fall back later, man.
I make sure, remember you look, remember your interest, you say, remember say you owe me now, you put interest on me now, make sure, say, remember,
I get it, man, for you, man.
Make sure, look at me,
Like,
tell you,
me
say,
can't
me
get
walk
one
and
kiss,
hunt for you,
Can't get one kiss, me like you, man. I know say that.
when you come back with it, when you come back with
I
it,
like you, man. Give me a kiss, man.
when you come back with it, balance, what if I kiss there, face?
So no, baby, I tell you for real, man. I like you, man. I know say that I say about that not really bother me, you know. Yeah, man. I like you for true.
For true, man.
So it's not can't be one kiss.
You still up on the damn kiss.
Alright, when you come back, man.
When you come back with the money, remember your interest.
Oh, so my G got my bag.
Yes.
You know, it's
Jesus Christ. God, you know, remember. God, you know, remember. Eh? So when did remember, sir? With the car police do. Yeah. See how the dirty hole make you come back up here. You see him get away? You see him get away? Sure. You're so glad you just remember. Anyways, then that one, that person gone. Fix up back in people who sit there and go be there for all crosses there for me. Oh God.
Yo, Skinny, let me get my
money. You me a call link in man.
Let me get my money.
Idiot.
Let me get my money.
Which money?
You know, see, I know
Man,
I'm good.
man, leg up for me, man. Which money you talk about?
You know, see, right now, I can't go in my house, brother,
What do you
right?
mean can't go in the house?
Better take time to talk to you, know.
Yo, you idiot.
Yo, you see, you know I'm good youth, you know.
Me I know one good youth.
Right now, I don't me if you stay because what me can't buy formula more the money. $1,000 me a different. No.
Out the door.
Yeah, me can't go in.
I really should have sleep. Side I marry me then.
You see, you.
How kind of style that?
So me know say I know I'm good youth no foot you come me get attack. Lord, me not want me be know say me go on a pink house and ya load the peppers, bro.
So I mean tell her for good on me tell her say no for good on a pink house. And me I no good youth, me no follow you good on a pink house. And you are no good youth. After you follow me good on a pink house, so for true. You left me down there for true, make me go drop asleep on the pumpkin. Yo, pass me back now, yo. Pass me back.
A pink house you come from now?
What you mean?
Everything what things done joke Skinny. So from morning, now at night in the atmosphere. And you just Skinny. How what go on?
Me drop asleep on the pumpkin, man. Me not like them style, you know. You can't just leave me alone pan the ends, my yo. If you just leave me there, some my yo, suppose somebody will know me baby mother come there now and see me. Eh? I sleep on the ends, my youth. I wake you girl, wake me up still, but differently still. Yeah, the girl nice.
Eh?
I like her.
I warn you about upper pink house and I tell you, say me no want you really go up there, you know.
But me never know say them kind of thing they up there.
When me $1,000 more, go in. When me $1,000, Skin, when me $1,000. You think me can sleep a bush? He pick me one
When me
farm,
forget it, fam. When me forget you at 6,000 for pumpkin.
Jesus.
Me all owe her a piece of money. Probably she like me still, so maybe she give me.
Where you
next
get
time
more
go back
money
for free.
from?
Eh?
Figure a pink house.
Me never go back.
A barrier.
I drop asleep up there.
Oh.
They say I drop asleep up there. But
Jesus
different
Christ.
still the pumpkin good.
Me know. And that's why me never really want to get none still. Me never really
So
want to go
out
back
that
up.
way I sleep.
Back to the topic. You take man for a big comic, you know. Let me get my toes there.
When me forget toes now, fam, I hope a pink house
Well,
come from.
you have to go back up a pink house, go try if you can get my toes there, you know, cause my well-being better than pumpkin, no.
Tap you on the girl, tap me up there. Fool, you take me for now. Me can't go up there with the sweet pumpkin there and go back for money. I eat that for true.
That me no like with the style, no. Me did know say I made for pumpkin, that's why me tell you say, yo, leave from my place because you see that glam the glue there, and nothing nice. It will twist up your brain.
No business where you want to say, bro, but me I tell you for true, say that the pumpkin there are the right pumpkin for pick off of the vine. That me
know say that would have flick off your head away in a skin.
No man. Me good still, you know. Me not like my weekly pumpkin.
Yeah.
Me just I tell her say that the pumpkin them me never have that the experience. Me right now me I wonder how she did it so. Jesus. But that the pumpkin there, it need to pick off of the vine, bro. I mean, I feel like say you can have it on the side.
Me did one night time about that pumpkin there, you know. When we are good on the road, what me tell you say? What me tell you say, Skinny? What me tell you say?
At what time? Me can't tarry too long.
Around 8 o'clock, what me I go do now, Skinny? Me can't sleep
yo,
there, so.
where my bag? Give me my bag.
Me not have no bag.
What you mean you not have my bag?
When me get the phone call, me just leave and straight. See, alright, there's some mans meet me. And nearly all me things them. Nearly throw it out.
So when me bag there?
Me leave it up there.
Yo, listen, make sure when me call your phone, you say me bag there yard.
Oh, no. If you can't give me my toes, I make me go in. Me now make you can't go in a few places.
So when my woman...
Two we sleep out of door tonight.
Sleep out of... You alone and sleep
Skinny
out
left
of
from me get, please, sir.
You are left... Yo, me say make sure so when I call your phone, make sure when I call your phone, you say, yo, bro, you left your bag down here, you know, tomorrow you get it.
Skinny, left from
Yo,
me.
make sure.
You know, say you don't rate me.
Make sure.
I do you make me sleep and me go and make you sleep and do tonight. Me go and make a pint of duty.
It's alright. I joke, yeah.
Yo, me can't lift up your stand with one finger. Yeah, bet me. Well, I should have wanna never exercise this morning, man. Is it? I use the nigga finger which the girl in love. You know, star. All the while I come off a bar, something the bar crowd here. I walk one. Yeah, Mama, can I say something here? I'm a money man, come here. 1 second, and I'll take long, man. I want to kill man. I want to go, man. Yeah, man, you say a little smiles, don't me. Come check your body. Yeah, man, and I'm not a big man, just one little smiles. That's what I say. You remember you have that? You have a bar running, man, look and lick up on shelf.
No, me not have that for true.
You don't have that for true? No. You have that for lie, though.
No, me not have it.
Yeah, man, see all your purse before they have something, man. I want
Me not have nothing.
Come close and
Me not have nothing for true.
Yeah, move, come here, man. You can't lock me, tell us you love short teeth too much, you know, I don't want to see your teeth now, the money I want to see, you know.
No, me not have the money.
You don't have the money?
No.
Yeah, we take my television. I know I say you have the money.
I don't have it. Seriously, I don't have it.
You just get lit, you know, mama. Look, me can make things better. Yo, just while I'm in the man, mama talk, no. Just imagine if me all reach back over Farrell. You're nice, you know. Bag of panty, I come down for you and them thing there, you know.
No, sir.
All your nails, them do all like
No, sir.
watch out, me can turn in a mermaid quick. I want to you, mama. You want to look like Nicki Minaj.
Yes, right, that's all. I mean, I have it.
You want to put on battery because you mark extra there, you know? So I can fix back that, you know? That's when I say, mama, so don't worry yourself, man. Catch you at a lie, pour a lie, and you're rich, so let have something I am also.
No, I mean, I have them. Can't let have today.
You must can't let have something.
No. No money not in there. No money not in there for true.
No money, nine.
No.
So you can't offer me something for drink my throat, Jai,
No, me not offer
I fire me walk from way for John Daggy Road up the side.
Some water me can't afford.
No, man, water too white, man. We have to water too white, man. Put the color in it. How you do?
Not even nothing.
Not even nothing. You mean, though?
Right, go.
Say you cheat me. You move hard for me. You play FIFA.
Right, that's all.
Make sure you can score goal, you know. Can you see them 2 footer, them can tackle well, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. That me I make you know, you know. Yeah, man, you go give me money, man. I say you go on, man.
No, the money. You see what
Not the money.
No.
You really not the money, mama.
You really not the money for sure.
You really not the money,
no
mama.
money.
You have money, man.
No.
Looking at me and tell me say not the money.
I have no money.
Looking at me eye them.
I have none. No.
Looking at the pussy eye them and tell me say not the money.
I'll tell you, I have no money.
And while I come here, card drop on me, you know, like you love play card pack.
So it go. So it go.
Now do me some, man. I want to.
Sorry.
You can't help me.
No,
Alright, left it as the some, man. You see? When one door is closed, one next one open. Remember that? Yeah, man. You see, just like how you cheat me, so when I go over foreign, you see me, I make some girl live like Nicki Minaj. And some girl live like Cardi B and them things. I hope you no bad mind them, you know. Cause sound stay, you know. When you can't get for cock up foot pan dashboard, you know, no bad mind that girl, you know. Oh, you laugh. Oh, laugh, best, man. Remember that, have a nice day, yeah?
Thank you very much.
You don't get no Valentine's Day, give you a go and so. Yeah, man.
Sail out. Me have some brand new gears so you never hear about. Sail out. We have good pants weapon yet now go tear out. Brand new one for the shipment. Sail out. We have some pants we never wear out. Brand new. Some you never hear about. Sail out. Do you know, dog, man? Yo. Forget piece of food in idea differently still now. Sail out. Me have some jeans pants we never hear about. Sail out. Brand new pants me have the skinny jeans and me have the Bella's foot. You don't know say the 90s style of beat right now, SMG. Sail out. Me have some pants we never wear out. Sail out, brand new shirt, them not tear out. I man want some pumpkin in a man. For morning me I try sell a thing and not to 2 hour shirt me can't sell. Come like a salt, me salt like down at Elsha Beach. For true. John, your father. Well, say Uncle Blessed is the most high for true. You know, say something me there I sell out so for true. I have some brand new pants that not tear out. And I have the shirt them when I wear out. And I have all some brand new style where you never hear about. Them there my father, man. See them straight from England. I fear fit.
The one barrel full. We can't sell it now.
But them you have some things where you never hear about. You know, see his style.
I don't hear me out here, bro. I never see my before.
Yeah, but a bad style for cho. Where say uncle me have the jeans jacket them. And they have some good pocket. Me call they get all the girl them. Father, me have the silverware. See it there? Brand new style. England them come from for cho man. We talk about uncle man. Have so watch it style now. You see if you are labor right for cho, we have the labor right color. We have all the blue for cho. Sail out. We have the shirt then we you know wear out. Here a pastel. Where's cemetery? Brand new style from England. See it there? We have all the jacket them with the pocket them. Where's the father? Me have the jacket them with the pocket them, you know. Yeah man. Brand new style, man. Them thing straight from England. I may have a silver one them. I may have the pants. Alright, you see them one? I give them for cheap. Watch you know, $25,000 for them, you know.
25.
For all the suit, you know. But watch you know, we can give the sale 13,000.
13.
Yeah, straight from England, man. Original. Borrow. I sell me, I sell, man. We no borrow. And we no lend. Sell me, I sell them, man. Cheap, cheap. The one that me can't give it. Alright, watch your style now, no? Give me it for 5 grand. 5, yeah. You whole set me, I give you. See it there? You get the inside piece and you get the outside piece and you get the part for your foot them.
So fully dressed out? Fully
dressed out for Chocho. Yeah, man, I style, man. Where I say, auntie, me have one next bar that come down with the thing them where make a pumpkin ear out. Alright, probably this can fit your auntie. A blue for Cho, ear of pastel. You see his style? Straight from England for Chocho. See the auntie, a nice shirt, man, for Chocho. May I tell her. For morning, me no sell nothing, man, auntie, man. Boss me, man. What make you sell for morning and a pure brand? That me I try show you people, them not like the brand thing, them. Them not like the brand thing, them. So, auntie, watch your style now. Me have some white one, too. Me have some towel, too, you know, auntie. England, them come from. Never wear out. Some false cash more, auntie, man. Boss me quick now, for Chocho. Boy. Jaja. So you say my father, nothing here where you like? Them cheap, man. Me can give you the shirt for 5 bills. 5 bills. Straight from England, original.
Come big one, that can't fit me.
Jano, come like me sat like down at Elsha Beach. And man, me there on the road and can't sell one shirt. Jaja. So you say, auntie, I go circle back. Sponsor you, man. Me have all some nice shirt from England. For Chocho. Jaja. Auntie, me I go and chat in your car. Boy.
Next time, man.
Respect, man.
Tomorrow?
Nah, man, a 1 day sale, man. Sale out, man. Sale out. Eh? From around a feather bed lane. I will. Alright, me I go circle back. Like circle back. Chocho. Jano, you road rough, you know. If a man in I dep on the road and can't sell one shirt, hey, I want some pumpkin in a man.
Yeah, what bring back? Come.
Come.
Auntie, I only think me can afford for Chocho. Yeah, my baby mother. Hello, my baby mother. Yeah, hear me?
You hear me?
Yes, my baby mother. Where you going with? For mine, I go on Pine Road and I call her, not true.
Me I tell you.
You know, my auntie man link me, man, say she want me deal with something for her quick and fast so for Chocho. So me have to run out. Sorry about that, man.
Alright, I'm just call to make you know say close them in my father's suitcase, you know.
The suit then I will take them out.
I don't know you not get them.
My baby mother no. Hey, if anybody trouble your father, close them in a suitcase, me kick off piece of them face to Chocho.
Be trying to put yourself in no trouble, you know. Be true.
But your father can't get the good clothes them from England so for Chocho and all of a sudden they missing.
Cha.
Hey, my baby mother, tell them say no ramp, you know, me got sent me here for Chocho, you know. Me say anyone me come home and me can't see clothes them. In the house, from the good clothes them when I wear out and then I tear out from England. Hey, my baby mother, you know, long me and spread bed pan them and me I beg your father to I shirt them out of his suitcase and you go tell me say you can't find the suitcase with the shirt them for show and the pants, the one them from England. All the era pastel shirts so for show me love it, you know. How long me I tell you say I want it be, man? Hey.
Me same about 3 of them, you know.
Be me say anyone me come back and me can't find the suitcase with your father clothes them from England. The good me say me I kick off somebody face the Chocho, you know. But anyway, be I don't have my auntie me there. I deal with some sitting for her. Me I cut down some banana tree for her. For Chocho.
Okay.
Yeah. And the plant them where she want fry. Me I cut them down for her. Cause she love fry planting. And you know, if you look on them not so good already and she's so short, she can't reach up there to cut it down. Yeah.
Okay, so give me give me back a call when you finish now.
Alright, that's why I love you, so you know, you just know how to give me a blind road so for true. If some woman know then call and a cuss for true.
No, sir. Me
Yeah.
trust my baby.
Oh, you mean, man? Me a good boy for true, you know. Good baby father. For true. Alright.
Big up yourself.
Alright, me so come on. Yeah, me I carry back 2 banana and them for you, yeah?
So for true.
Alright, true, babe. Me so reach home. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. And not one of them no sell all now. I have to go sell them out cheap. Cause I just 6,000 more want, you know. 6,000 can give me a next round. For true. Chat about. See you out. Uncle, where you say me have the new thing them from England. Never wear out, never tear out. Where you say uncle? None of the new gears them just come from England. Jano, come like a salt, me salt like Elsha Beach. Jano. Sail out, brand new clothes from England. None of them never tear out, now wear out.
Man, in me I walk up and down, you know. I look money for bar and what them people. And if they know say hungry now, give me no day off. So, yeah. Hold on, man. Walk one, my general.
Why am I there easy, you know?
I can't see that, you know. I can't, a long time when I link up, you know, touch it, yeah. A long time when I sit down and beat 2 Red Bull, you know. Remember them good old days there? Yeah, man. Them go repeat back, man. Watch out. You know, so me have some good news. I got foreign, you know.
What?
I mean, you know, see them look like foreign.
Surprise.
Yes, New York dash up on me. Yeah, man, what you mean, man? I tell you, you know, uncle. Right now, you know. I want, you know, say, I want a piece of food, me I come borrow from you, though. Yeah, man, for pay. You see it, cause me kind of soft out and I don't get no work on them things there, so me I say.
Oh, you pay me back every day money?
No, pay back. You mean when I reach over there, say, no, say, nice, brother.
No,
and
man.
these are running down to where you sweet on the forward back.
When the
Be
forward
a clocks
back?
pan foot on them thing there.
God.
Make it thing look some man, a far where I come from, you know, uncle. You think half what you where you forward from?
But me not, you know, but buy it from somebody calling you.
No, man, I know you have it, man. I want the uncle, man. If
God.
I even $1,000, man, even make a muckle, you know.
We can't find it, you know. Let's search still.
From morning, me I walk up right now, me hungry, you know, uncle, you know, I'm a bull in there.
Yeah, man. We can't give me for buy two.
Rest the bull off now, man. Money me want.
Well, let you money, but you can't give me
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir.
Alright.
Buy seat still not.
Yeah, man, respect me, uncle. Yeah, man.
And this me have still not.
Alright, me uncle. Yeah, man, respect me, uncle. As some know, say me a general, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we link up like my chain them, you see it?
Alright.
When money fall away, rain them.
Alright.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Yeah,
Alright.
man, enough respect, yeah.
Respect too.
But with them thing, yeah, man. But, well, and come to think of it, all one cool, man. But him a wait pan clocks, yeah, man. Go on wait, cause you see me a walk a Vietnam. You see me and the queen are friends, so go on wait. Yeah, man.
I'm glad for lucky, you know, because look, give me some shoes and something, you know. I'm glad for that, you know. But the boy a forward man, everything Chris. So now I say, long as you lucky to buy, then come back, man, go and come back, man. Lucky, I'm in general.
Auntie Sharon, what go on? Long time, you start with your glass now.
Long time.
Come on, no man, you move so cloak up, what go on? No, so me there. There, so me I give you one link, you know. So you know your good news.
No, sir.
The good news, the pan every light post up, you know.
Oh, yes.
And then so me I got foreign.
No, me never hear.
Yeah, man, me I got foreign, man. Yeah, when me I pray for send you all 2 barrels to you, because I know you love barrel, you know. Cause you throw you full of clothes, I love barrel.
Man, good, man.
Yeah, man, I know you love your sweet up them. But still, I still cut long argument short. You know, say I want to look one money me I borrow from you.
No, sir, me forget money from.
I saw no go, I see you go on and you always a tie me out, you know.
Sorry,
Like you face a big man a goat. Yeah, man, let me look one money.
No, man, I think because you're
This one, you know, say my visa, my passport, man, go look.
No, sir, you have to check somebody else, man. Me not have no money, we go spend what me have today.
God send for check you, man. I from wait, that's what me I pray from, you know.
But you don't know me, so how you go check me?
Sharon, me for check.
But you never know me. I first say I see me, so how you go check me the money?
I mean, by first, me I see you. Remember, say, yeah, my mother go to school together, you know.
Me don't know your mother. Where your mother?
You don't know my mother?
No, sir.
You sure know, say you don't know my mother? The black short lady there. Yeah, man. We and her fight at school every day.
Okay.
But not true you and her fight at school, that means you go and show back the same energy to me. Know you a long time, man. Think me don't know if I got. But anyway, still, I money me I talk about.
You have to work all the while.
Any boy no money, auntie, you hear? Any
Yo,
boy no
I saw
money.
you go on, you know.
A pink course, you go want the money, you
listen
go.
to them,
You
man.
go buy
Yeah.
pumpkin.
Them man a bad mind through me, I got fire. Listen me, youth. You saw when I see me on the right. Take your left, youth.
You know something like your
You
style,
know
no?
saying I like me,
Me not
no?
like your style, no?
True
Tell
me-
lady the truth, man.
true, you see
You're
me
not
on the
gonna
road.
you know?
Every time me a catch you at a lie, you bad mind me, you know. You bad mind me for me at where I
You
catch
see
you, know.
You see you? You're not for
Yo,
yourself,
stop
man.
pointing your gun finger upon me, you to tell me, I tell
You're
you
not for
that.
yourself.
You
Everything
bad mind me
alright.
through me, I get pumpkin on a pink house, you not get none. Mama, listen.
No, man, me
Auntie.
can't let you me money. Me
Listen to
have
that
one.
young boy.
Me can't let you. Me can't
A
let you,
pink
man.
course,
Me
the
can't
boy
let
want
you.
the money if you go down, give it to
Yeah,
him.
when you had work.
Alright.
You know, say me not like the boy, yeah.
Me
Me not like him, you know.
You want to go buy, you love pumpkin too much, you can't live without it, I'll kill you. You must I'll kill you.
I you not get none, man.
Me not know who give
You
you
bad
rum.
mind.
You that
You
drink
see
rum?
bad mind the
You that
fire.
drink rum?
You see
must
bad
not
mind the
drink
fire.
rum.
Look, for you look for you see bad mind, that's where all
You
about
know no
fire.
sense, man.
You love me, man.
You
Come
know
out
no
of me
sense.
argument, brother.
You know no sense.
Come out of
Auntie,
me argument.
You say if
Yo.
you give him the money, alright. Alright.
Listen, mama, me I have a friend here.
Yeah, me I have
listen,
good
no, listen to
friend,
what I
but me
say.
still not let you me
Sorry,
money.
sorry. Excuse me, excuse me.
See my
Excuse
sweet
me,
puppy.
excuse me.
Mama,
Yeah,
that's what
let
I
me
tell
know
about.
you got
That's what I tell about.
brother.
Say trouble him and look.
No, brother, it
Mama,
can't work, it
in
can't
lucky
work.
say me never walk with the comb. Come with a brush him, you know.
Sorry.
Did I brush
Sorry.
you?
You see, say argument him and look. Joe me I got foreign and him not come.
Because you want the money to go
Them
big
boy
house.
don't know plane, you know. Mama, you saw me there. You saw me.
Last week he come here, you know.
Me tell you, say, Mama, how me usually live. So when me there on plane, I me a sit me energy and me grey goose. Them boy in the palm level, Mama. I tell you that. And that's why if you make me go foreign, lend me the money, then me go foreign. Since when me go,
Let me talk to you, though.
yeah, man.
Check me back next week.
Check.
Mama. Tomorrow me fi deal with me thing
No,
there.
man, you have to go postpone that.
The plane,
Man,
hold on, you know.
too sudden.
The plane park up at airport, port away from me, you know.
You see it? You see it?
Mama,
He
laugh.
can't talk good. He can't talk good. You love pink house too much. You love
Yo,
buy
me not like
pumpkin.
the boy, you know.
You love buy punk.
Me not like you, no, youth.
Nah, say nothing to you.
Me not like you, no.
Nah, say nothing to you. What's it?
So,
Yo,
so
love
you
me,
never get
man,
the money,
love
you
me.
love him.
Jesus Christ, love me, youth. Love me, man. Memory, you know. To me, I got fire. Yo, them boy are bad mind, you know.
Fire on a pink house. Fire on a pink house.
Yo, stop follow me up.
Fire on a pink house.
Stop follow me up,
Fire on a
youth.
pink
Me
house.
say stop follow me
Fire on a
up, youth.
pink house.
Me dirty, you know.
Dirt
No,
me.
man,
Me dirty, make it gravel them sorry for you, you know.
You?
Why you do? Why you try you? You can't do me nothing, you know. Me a bad boy this, you know.
Bad boy
You know, see me
yourself.
swagger. You tell us see me swagger, me a
Which
bad boy,
swagger?
you know.
Look for my swagger.
Look for me good.
I latest psycho bunny. We are
Psycho
talking
bunny,
about.
that the psycho bunny like white. Not even say nothing to you.
For my shirt. Look for my shirt.
Catch back me at a lie.
Catch you at a lie.
Mama, listen to me I say. Listen what them boy I say. Yeah, listen what me I say.
Me I hear you talk.
Listen what me I say, mama. You say if you lend me the money, I promise you, kiss the cross. I swear to God.
You okay?
Me I gonna make you proud.
It's the cross the our ex. Our ex.
You can't
Mama.
talk.
Tell himself leave
No,
me
it's
alone.
your
you know.
ex. Me can't go give you because our ex can't make. You
All you laugh after me too.
me a laugh.
I
love laugh.
joke me a talk now. Mama, me a give you an opportunity to make your whole our life better.
Alright, let me tell you already.
Mama, tell you.
God,
Me and Joel is a cousin, you know.
Yeah, and your family.
What you mean? If me and I'm here tell him to fix that.
Can I him if you check for your money, man?
No, me
Yeah, man,
can't. Him
Andrew,
busy right.
you can't check me, man. Me a poor thing, man. Andrew, you have to check, man.
Me can't link him right now because I'm in a power.
In a power.
Yeah, man.
Maybe best time you forget the money.
No, man, when I'm in a power.
What a man like.
I best time you forget the money.
God help you.
Best time. When Andrew in a power,
help you.
at that time you have to check him for money. I want vote.
You know, see, I get corrupt and mean like your son, though. I say, all I don't know, and people no money, you know. You know what? Keep your money, man. God
Yes.
go with you, because I can't come. You hear
You
that?
have a nice and blessed
Yeah,
day.
you have a nice day.
You love pink too. You love pink or pink house.
You
I
see,
don't have pink shop
You
today, you know.
see, anytime I got foreign,
You
you
have to the pink finger, pink
anytime I
card.
got foreign, I'm in charge of the airport. I make sure every plane
No,
next
see,
to
that's
this, so
security
none man
when I
carry
pink card. Me
you.
know
I
say
tell
you
you,
are
I tell you
here
that,
running.
you.
Not for yourself.
You see your foot them big.
Me know, in your blood.
You feel you are bad people.
I'm not bad.
You,
I defend myself.
me have one gun go, so clam.
Let me go stop
Tell me,
pushing,
tell you.
wing, wing.
Pishing wing. Know yourself, man.
Watch yourself.
Remember that, you know?
Yeah, man.
Go with you.
God go with you.
Remember, you know, you're
God
not a
go with
bad man
you.
for me, you know? Me can step on your turf, make you the rat-ta-ta-ta. I tell you.
You think I
You
see
love
yourself?
talking. Are you, man, me not get the money, you know? Cause mama, they go dip in her purse to give me
You
money, you
love to lie
know?
too
Are
much.
you, man, me not get it, you
You
know,
love
you?
to lie too much.
Remember, you know, me I go brush you, you know? Just
Brush
mark
me.
that, you know?
Yeah, check me.
Don't worry yourself.
I check on me.
Everything cool, man. Everything cool.
What's everything cool?
Yeah, man. Keep it that way there, yeah?
So
Yeah,
you check
man.
me son in front of me.
You ever go on news yet?
What heap of
Yeah,
time?
man. You go new rising star, yeah? But I no sing, you go sing.
A fancy cat, me name,
Somebody
you know.
you go sing over your
A fancy cat,
6'6",
me
yeah?
name.
Yeah, man.
Me famous, you know.
Come on, man.
Look more. But you love pink wall
You
too
buy
much.
Buddha now. If I say no money. You vex with me.
Pink,
You vex with me pink suit.
pink wall too sweet, yeah, man, and for yourself. Look, you shouldn't give me money. If I have your dog, give me. I
You
got
have
pink
money
wall,
in my
boy, I
pocket.
go.
Yeah.
Hey, good evening. How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
That's great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. too.
Yes, I come to order a little bit of pumpkin. It's been a very rough day and I just want some release. Yes, I'm so stressed. Oh, wow, oh my gosh. Looks so lovely.
Well, thank you.
What a fat pumpkin. Pumpkin look well ripe.
I'm making a stamp of also.
Oh my. Just excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah, dear.
You're just nice though.
Thank you.
How you do? You're a teacher?
Detective, special agent, Dre Wiz. Yes.
Detective, you say?
Yes. Special agent.
Oh, so I'll show you pass to come up a detective.
Which what?
You pass.
Which pass?
I'll show you pass to come up here. Who tell about pink house?
I'm a detective for a reason, you know.
Oh. So business you come to do?
Well, of course.
Okay.
I feel so tense all I've been in the car for a while. I really want to free up my body, you know, and yeah, just have a good time.
Okay. So, what you say?
Well, that's what I want to ask you. What you said.
The price of 10 grand.
So let me have to call Consumer Affairs. They're selling pumpkin too high. I overcharge me.
I mean overcharge you. I thought myself my pumpkin.
You know,
I don't overcharge a detective. You're not easy.
I'm a detective for a reason, you know. I did my research before I came here.
Sir, you do your job, not true.
Well, yes.
I mean, I do my job, not true. I tell the government how much you give to you.
Well,
my work, this is my price. I mean price it and a government price
I
it.
wonder if it's the jacket, turn up the price.
No, so my jacket
Yeah,
turn
sure.
up the price.
Mm.
If you want to put one extra 10 or one extra 5 funny, no problem.
So, I want this a pumpkin, sir.
Gold.
Gold,
It's a
gold, you sure, boy?
gold mine.
So that means I can become a billionaire off of your gold mine.
Of course.
Why? I like it. Yes, I'm loving what I see. I don't like it, I love it. Whoa. Damn.
I like what you see.
What? It's only make up your skin. Oh my
It's all
God.
about it.
I'm looking at perfection.
Woo. So you say give me the 15 again?
I thought I said 10.
Give me me 10 then. No?
Give you 10. I give you more than that.
Then give it, no?
It's so hasty.
My hasty?
Yeah.
Me about money, me have to hasty, you know, detective.
Yeah.
I want to you. When I hear about money, I'm happy to, I'm excited.
Always, of course.
Oh. When me feel excited, me about your money then.
Man, someone have to throw some money for you, man.
But you detective, you look nice though.
One time. You look more than nice, you look spectacular. You look awesome.
Thank you.
Woo.
Mine is up, you know.
Little bumpies in there, and then I'm
Yeah, me tell them to
distracted
fix
by
it, me
the
tell them.
other the bumper. Distract me. Two things strap me, the bump right there and the bumper.
So you know I'm not missing no money, you just attack. What's the piece like?
You see,
Could I be tell you for sure say you have money? You have me as
when I was going to school, you know, and while I was undergoing training, they taught us to be patient, you know.
No, but then me see one look prick of the money, one prick. Be sure say you have the money for true. Cause I don't like a long talking like off and day I'm there me stress out. I just don't be there so I come in after and hear somebody put out here.
I like to check out the goods before, you know, purchasing.
No, before you touch the goods, you have to show me a prick.
Show you a prick?
Yeah, so you have to ease up your hand a bit.
Ease up my hand?
Yeah.
You apply too much pressure.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Much pressure, the best.
Much pressure?
Alright.
I'm going to give you what you want. Because I see you getting very impatient. Here's 25. More than what you asked for.
But even content in me going to say no.
See it there? More than what you expected. I tell you, you need to.
Well, thank you, detective. Means
Yeah.
that girl still now, me stick to my word.
Yeah, you need to have a little more faith.
Nobody have faith.
Yeah.
Some we have faith today, tomorrow they not have no faith, but me full of faith, me believe.
True thing.
But sometimes you have to be careful of who you believe in, I don't.
Well, you have to just choose the right thing, the truth.
But true.
True. Well, anyways, I don't have all day, you know.
Okay, detective.
Yes. So
Let's get this ball rumbling. Woo! Yeah, I know. Welcome to paradise.
welcome to paradise. Paradise in JA.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Ooh! Hey.
I forget the pumpkin. I want to tell Shawty come something. I wish you did. Channel star. Yo, Jack, yo. I didn't sit here, I can't bother with you know. I didn't sit here, I can't bother. Yo, my fresh pumpkin, I like, see, you know. Man. Yo, I can't bother with them sitting here, no, man. Yo. Channel star. I forget the pumpkin. Want to Shawty come something. You hurry up, run us to you know, man. Come here for wait, come here scale, you know.
So how did you enjoy that?
Well, I'm feeling alive.
But here, ya Jesus.
Well, swear like I really needed that. Come like you really got the goal for through your work every pumpkin.
And that's why I raise the price.
Why? If I could pay a trillion more for it, I would pay it. I really worth.
For choo-choo?
Really goal.
For choo-choo?
What? What a pumpkin nice. What? How old you, man?
Oh, me?
Yeah, I hear you.
You talk to me, I mean, yes, them you talk to her, I don't understand, you know. You talking a gypsy or what? Brother, I not come here for a pumpkin, I come here for bad. Look here, don't talk to me, you. What go on for me?
Yeah.
Well, one skit is
Hold on there 1 minute. You look very familiar.
Familiar?
Yes.
I don't like how you notice me a landlord this.
You said, what you said his name was? I already said his name. You said his name was Lucky.
Skittles with a Lucky name. You hear your name from the street now.
Okay, so you're the one everybody been talking about. You're popular on the streets, man.
Don't about my fault, no, please.
Me?
You say one.
You sure of me?
Yes, you Lucky. You know how long we've been looking for you?
Oh! We understand what you're talking about. I'm a twin brother, that man.
Twin brother.
Yeah, man. you see. A true favor. Look, Paul. You see, we look alike.
Look alike.
We're born one time, you know, but we're different. Yeah, man. I'm a twin brother, man. You know me, I say, in thief, you know. If you lock him up, let me tell you this. I'm a twin brother, man. I'm always a grown in the community and borrow people money. Oh. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Well.
Yeah, I know your family with them good, you know. Eh.
Tell your twin brother to stay out of trouble. Because
yeah.
When you catch him, it won't be pretty.
Yeah, I know. You see, anytime when you catch him.
Watch him.
Now listen to him, no. Now listen to her, no. You see her? I want like a trouble. May I deal with that the trouble later. But as I was chatting, is what I say? Anytime when you catch him, man, 6'6" as it, because him all teeth, my shoes them too, you know. Yeah, man.
Well,
for real. So I go here now.
You're blind and I say I cut him off and away you are. So me want for him.
Anyways.
Alright, my general. Alright.
As I said, tell your brother.
Yeah.
Out of trouble.
Yeah, have a nice day, you see it? Yeah, man, I wish you all the hell. You see you? You see you? You couldn't tell me, say, what is up here?
Who send me up here?
Who send me up here? You know, say me I could come back.
Where I come from looking like that? What kind of a visual style that?
You don't like my swag?
You're in a orange, in a black.
You don't like my swag? Look at my swag. You know, I noticed me from what day, you know. It's right, I know. You know why I go and come back?
Look here, hope I never bag along to you. Can't money up here.
You like money too much, you know.
You can't, lucky myself, you can't money up here.
You know why
now,
I
when
go
you
and
come
come
for
back?
Chelsea, you come for beg. No,
You know
where for
why I
beg.
go and come back?
Now, where you go?
Me come for have you coming like a brand new movie.
Now, where you go?
And after when I go, I forgot to tell us I did there in New York, you know. Yeah, man. In New York, I did, you know, see my swag.
Look, I was dead there, go. I have you one deck there, go and then get that blended there. Catch it, vest. Nobody said, look, what is this? A long time versus who they? Jesus Christ. They even room in a happen.
See me tell us you want me. See you feel me up.
You have problem? You born for chat, you born for get trouble.
Are you a problem in here, Jay?
Lucky myself, you carry money up here.
You're good at on good boy and a mad man.
That's why if you go, you carry money up here.
Oh, you can't mad me. You know, let me, hold on. Hold on. You see, I'm come up here, I smile with you, I smile with you if you calm you down. I get serious, you know. Let me tap catch it out and get serious. You see, I'm come up here and I smile with you. I show you pretty face, the pretty side of me. You not accept it.
Can you not show me money, Lucky? You know some love money.
All the while, I come up here now. And money attack for you, you know.
Beg.
And money attack for you all the while I come up here now.
You beg like you is a blind. And you know, chat out of my mouth, you know, to go out the money because you're stingy.
Why couldn't no man stay so?
I don't make you turn so as a man. You will have the money in your pocket. And you don't want to take out because you're stingy.
You know what I'm going to do now? You don't learn to share as a woman. You don't learn to give for free sometime, you know.
Lucky. Tired. I got things happen today and so. If
I don't have time to listen to your sad story, you know. A pumpkin may come out, you know.
Look here. If you don't speak money, Lucky, you make it up going.
Alright. How you watch me for? Stop pre-pre, man. I want to.
Alright.
I first year I see Desmond Market. I want to. I first year I see Marcus Garvey them. You look, you're pretty down.
Lucky. How far money you go by? How in the US?
See that euro here? You see if not even bank.
Lucky. Where
You
you
hear
get
that?
the money from?
Not even bank can
Lucky,
give
so
that
where you
euro
get
here.
the money here from? How much bless? How you get $100? $100.
Can't understand it, you know. All the while I try to shame, man, you know. Alright, you know what?
Give me everything in your pocket.
You see, true more the little
Give
pumpkin.
me everything in your pocket. Everything, no. Every dime.
Take them, man. Keep it. You see, you go and inherit you.
Every dime, me want.
Watch him and feel me. You like feel up, man. You don't know. Go on around us, man. Come in like me.
That guy push me. Ah, look here. Me know if you're styling. You try take your best, take time with me. You cannot take time with me.
And that's your worry about. That, remember the last time we make you moan? Like when dad sit up
Me go tap the business with you, you know, Lucky. Me go tap the business with you. Me go and chat so me go tap the business with you. Come on!
Confession is good for the soul, mama. Come here.
Come.
What I do?
Come, I know something I expect you.
What I do, man? What I do? One foot there over so, and the next foot there over so. One a east, one a west.
One out east, one out west. But I see what me I work with. One east, one west.
How this man God?
Look, it have been talking, I can't talk so much. Just let me see what me I work with. But I didn't even know if I be able to come up here. Let me see what I'm working with.
What is wrong with? Alright, sit down.
Jesus Christ, Lucky! When I burn to backside, I never see so much white here. Lucky, where you go with that? Look here. Drop back your clothes. Drop back your damn clothes. Look here, drop him back. You come up here with your mouth brawling and loud and say you need to bed, come up here.
Yo,
Come.
you make people in the yard.
Come, see what I'm telling you. Soap and fab and disinfectant and bleach they around their bathroom. Go on around their bathroom.
I want this problem for that.
Come.
Yo, you got it.
Come, Lucky.
Yo, listen to me, listen to me. I first say ya.
Yes. Come.
You're a farmer.
Come, no Lucky, no.
Yeah, waste me. Listen to me, I say.
Come here, waste me
Come
time. You see, if you're not my case, do I don't want to exclaim, come.
God.
Don't take the money because you pass the gate, you know. Lucky, go on before somebody else.
You know, farm, you're traveling from me.
Alright, thank you.
You see woman like you know? Yeah.
Continue talking, somebody
God.
come. Me still go keep the money because you already passed the gate.
You
And
see
you know
man.
the rules.
God. You see man have
Lucky,
to
come,
go through.
go and go.
God will pay me. You see man have to go through when they forget little pumpkin, God.
Something for you. Eh? Pia Jonjo. Go on the bathroom, dirty girl soap around there.
You see, you attack me, kid. Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself.
Come see the bathroom, did they soap?
Yeah, carbolic around there. I'm going to use any soap, you know?
Yeah, carbolic around there, dirty girl. Dirty girl use.
I'm going to use dirty girl, man.
Bleach
That's me, I tell
like
you.
one.
And better try suckle up. Here, put on your seatbelt.
Continue
Listen to me. Put on your seatbelt. And so when you come back around, it's going to be a rough ride, you know? Remember that, you know?
I want to explain to go see so tell her to check.
Remember, say my bicycle now no brake, you know? So
Mr.
when you turn it down John Daggy Road.
So one client they come.
Normal.
One client they come. So
Alright.
not make case. What did they chat off your mouth? You can't go shop.
You try set up yourself, you know, that I tell you, you know? I love chatting.
And last, it last this year.
Capitalize,
First and the last, you know, get that number.
So how about the soap in around here?
You're 2 years, look.
That me telling you. Money talk and pumpkin run.
Me know some money talk pumpkin run, of course, but continue to talk for money. You hear me say? You pass the gate, you know, say money when me have, where you just give me a while ago. I'm still going to keep it. Without running the pumpkins here, you can pass me gate, not true?
Come to think of it, you know, say I need that door. If it's a white jam, let's get the butter girl.